Are you aware of the importance of namaz in Islam? Namaz, or salah, is a highly important part of the Islamic faith. It is an obligation upon every Muslim to offer 5 daily prayers and to be present at Friday congregational prayer. It is one of the 5 pillars of Islam, and arguably the most important. Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, said, "The first thing that a person will be called to account for on the Day of Judgment is Salah." Sunan Ibn Majah, Volume 1, Book of Salah, Hadith 745. The importance of namaz is highlighted by many verses in the Holy Quran. Verily, the prayer is enjoined on the believers at fixed hours, Quran 4-103. The Prophet Muhammad, peace be upon him, also said, "Whoever does not perform the 5 daily prayers, it will be as if he has declared war against Allah and His Messenger." Sunan Ibn Majah, Volume 1, Book of Salah, Hadith 746. Ramadan, the 9th month of the Islamic calendar, is especially important for Muslims, especially in the last 10 days. Offering extra prayers, including the Taraweeh prayer, is a recommended practice in this blessed month. Namaz is a way to connect ourselves to Allah and to show gratitude for His blessings. It is a way to maintain a strong relationship with Allah and to stay away from sins. Namaz helps us become better human beings and strengthens our faith in Allah. So, let's make sure to make the most of Ramadan 2023 and the last 10 days of it by offering extra prayers to Allah and seeking His divine blessings.